What's up, you guys? My name is Kiana Mitchell, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I thought I'd do something a little bit different, and this is like completely inspired by Alyssa Ashley, so you guys should follow her if you don't already. But I thought I'd just do a little bit of like a makeup therapy video because I've been feeling very overwhelmed and very exhausted and kind of stressed lately, so I thought I'd make this video to kind of just talk about that and just, relax. This look was very relaxing for me to do and very therapeutic. I had a lot of fun and it felt really good, so I thought I'd do that for this video as well. I've basically just been dealing with the same things that stress probably everyone else on the planet out, like being sick, struggling with finances a little bit, school. All of those things are stressful. Work. I mean, why doesn't anybody talk about the fact that they're stressed or overwhelmed or worried? Like, we all just post happy stuff, and that's dumb. It's just, to me, it's dumb. And being happy isn't a bad thing, but denying that you sometimes struggle is a bad thing because you're setting yourself up for failure later on. So I just want to be as transparent as I can be with myself and with the people who follow me and the people that like my work, the people that like to hear what I have to say about life. I just want to be honest, and I think that's the best thing that I can do, so I'm gonna do it. I think that the toughest thing for me is being so self-critical, and I'm sure there are plenty of other people, especially artists, that feel the exact same way. And I've always been this way ever since I was younger, whether it be with singing, which I love to do, or in high school and middle school when I was in band and I played the French horn, or now when it comes to my makeup. I'm always comparing myself to others and wondering why I'm not where I think I should be when I should be focusing on how I want to get there. First of all, putting yourself out there to share your art is commendable. People can be scary, and they're very vocal about what they like and what they don't like, especially to strangers, and the internet can be a tough place. I luckily haven't had to deal with any sort of hate comments or anything like that. I personally just don't think my account's big enough to have people gravitate towards me in that way, but just putting yourself out there and sharing what you love to do is so amazing. So I think it's cool that everyone is using social media and YouTube and different platforms to do that. But at the same time, sharing your work can be so scary and so hard just because I feel like we all hope to gain something from it, and that's not always the best mentality to go into it with, because then you start to lean into comparing yourself to others and benchmarking yourself and setting unrealistic expectations of yourself and society and the people that you want to notice you. Whether that be, like for me, I find myself wondering why my makeup account doesn't grow faster, but my posts get lots of love and people really support me, but I don't really gain followers or anything like that. And then I get like into the whole numbers mindset, which is very frustrating because I stop doing what I love and I start doing what I think other people want to see, so hopefully I'll grow. And that's a really tough balance to navigate, just because obviously numbers matter to brands, numbers matter to companies, because it'll help you gain opportunities. But personally, the numbers don't matter to me. I share my art because I love every look that I do, and I'm really proud of it, and and I want to post it and then look back and see what I was proud of before versus what I can do now. That girl that started makeup 2-ish years ago never would have pictured herself doing the type of work that I do now. And that's crazy, and it's awesome to look back and see that, but it's also hard to be proud of myself when I'm continuously comparing myself to other artists. This whole video topic makes me think of this quote that I saw on Pinterest probably a long time ago, and I don't know who said it, but the quote is that comparison is a thief of joy. And I agree with that. When you're sharing your art or something you're really passionate about to the world, it's obviously something that you feel confident in and proud of, and so whenever you start to get to a point that you're comparing yourself to others, it's not going to make you as happy anymore, because generally when we compare ourselves to others, we're looking for what we're doing wrong or worse instead of what we're doing right. I think just as an artist, this is one of those checkpoints where I need to take a step back and be proud of myself, because the work that I'm putting out is awesome compared to what I've done before, especially this month doing 31 or trying to do 31 Halloween looks. That's insane. I've been doing 2 looks a day, except for now because I'm sick, obviously, but just seeing the amount of work I put into this, I should be really proud of myself. Just because the numbers don't reflect what I think my account should be at right now doesn't mean that what I'm putting out into the world is bad art. That's such a dumb mentality, but that's literally what I've been telling myself. Can you believe that I've been telling myself that? It's insane to think that despite all of the amazing support and responses and feedback I get whenever I post my looks or share the things that I'm passionate about and the work that I've created, I can still tell myself it's not good enough. So this is my checkpoint, just to say I'm proud of myself and I'm doing a good job, and that I should just keep it up, because if I've come this far in the amount of time that I've been doing makeup, then there's only so much further to go, and I'm really excited to see where I can take this. And also to my fellow artists out there, if any of you are watching this, you guys are doing an awesome job too. Your art is not bad. You are worth all the love. You deserve it, and you deserve a lot of respect for putting yourself out there and sharing the things that you create. Lastly, I just want to quickly apologize for being gone from YouTube for so long. I just got overwhelmed a little bit with school and everything, so I am happy to be back with a more laid-back vibe, just because this is more my style. And I really hope you guys like this video as much as I do. So make sure you leave a thumbs up down below, and leave a comment if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next one.